Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about product pages and how to list them on your WordPress.org website. Today we have one of my products, eBay Profits, How I Make $2,000 a Month Dropshipping. All you have to do is copy and paste this information onto your WordPress pages. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute because the work's already been done. You have the course image, you have the course title, subtitle, and the description. You already have all the information at your fingertips. So there's no reason to do any extra work. The work is already done. You even have a sales video. So now that you have all this information at your fingertips, go to your WordPress.org website. And to the left of your screen, click on the Pages tab. So what you want to do on the top of your screen, what is the course title? Put it as the title of the page. And all you do, you'd go back to the Udemy page and copy and paste the title. And you'd go back to your WordPress website and paste it into the title. And for the body of the description, the first thing that I'd have in there is the course image. When you have the file, click Add Media. Click Upload Files and select the file from your computer. Before you insert the picture into the page, click on the title and change the file name for SEO purposes. I'm going to type in eBay Profits video course. And then you can click on Insert into Page. And it's okay that your course image seems to be too big. You can click on Preview Changes. And you'll see that WordPress automatically updates the changes and makes it fit beautifully in with your website. The next step would be to copy and paste the subtitle from Udemy into your WordPress website, right under the picture. The next step would be to copy and paste the course description under the subtitle on your WordPress.org website. And the last step in creating your product sales page, you want your customer to take action. So at the bottom of the page, copy and paste the title of your course again. Grab your copy now. And copy and paste your Udemy coupon into that. And using your OptimizePress plugin, you're going to make bullet points, giving the potential customer reasons why they should buy the course. They have lifetime access to 16 lectures, 2+ hours of high quality content, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and they can sit at home following these simple instructions in this course, selling on eBay, using dropshipping, and make a sale before you buy. And you have this big Add to Cart button that OptimizePress will easily allow you to make. You want your potential customers to be able to purchase the product right there and then, without them having to sign up for your email list, get 2 free email lectures, and then have them unlock the lectures for $19. Some potential customers want to just cut to the chase and buy your product right then and there. So copy and paste the link from Udemy. The regular price of this course is $99. I'm giving them a $19 coupon. Once you've copied that coupon code, you want to go back into WordPress and click the button Add Element. From your OptimizePress, you want to search for buttons. Click on it and choose the button that looks best to you. That's what the background image is going to look like. And paste the coupon code into the link URL right here. And check off Open in a new window. Click Insert. And once you're done with that, this is how everything's going to look like. So you have your product title, and below it, the course image, the subtitle, the sales description of the course, and how your potential customer benefits from purchasing said course. And finally, when you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see the action. Learn how to make money online with no money. Grab your copy now. And the Add to Cart button. And when your potential customer clicks that, this is what's going to pop up. They're going to see the exact same thing on Udemy now with the price of $19. This is how you make sales on your WordPress website. We've gone through the pros of why you should direct your traffic to Udemy. And now you've created your first product sales page on your WordPress account. Thank you so much. This is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.